A lot of people have sweaters, no matter what the region of the country you live in. We in Texas still have sweaters. It's amazing how many sweaters I actually own, even though I live here in East Texas. But the thing about storing my sweaters is really this is my closet, this is what I've got. So I don't have a place to fold them. And even if I were to fold them, I probably wouldn't think to go look there to wear them. So for me, I really need to have them here because that's where I'm going to look. But I don't want to hang them like this because they tend to get, to have a hanger. First of all, it's kind of hard to get a hanger in here. But this one's got a wide neck, so it's not the hardest, but some of them are tight. But anyhow, and even if I were to hang it up on this, they tend to, because they weigh down and it's this knit material, they tend to get like those dimples in the shoulders. So I don't like to hang them like that. So what I do, and I've showed this to a lot of people and they're like, what? That's amazing. I did not come up with this. I'm sure I saw it on the internet somewhere. But you're going to hang them on the hanger like this. All right. And now you get this. I can see my sweaters. I have quite a few hung this way. It's easy to see your sweater. It's easy to see the color. It's easy to see the style. And then it's not getting stretched out. So let me back up for just a second here and show you how I did that. Okay, so I fold it in half, right? And then I've got the armpit here. So right here in the armpit, is where the hanger's gonna go. Right here in the armpit. So take the hanger, the hook part of the hanger goes into the armpit. The hook goes into the armpit. So basically I'm folding it. Think of this like shoulders, head and shoulders. You are hanging the sweater over the shoulders of the hanger. Okay. And that's it. Pretty easy, super smart, really clever. Hope it works for you. I know it'll work for you. Give it a try.